Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about what happens after you create a Namecheap domain. But do remember that the best way to create domain is basically using this promo code. Namecheap itself has a promo code in it. So when I was doing this right now, you can see that I have 0.99 cent domain. So that option is there. So I just went there, copied the coupon promo code, and I discovered that there are these TDLs which I can use it, and it's very cheap. So all you have to do is like click on one of the TDL and then type domain name over here and click on search. Now you will see the options down here, so which will say what the best options for you, as test is basically a very nice word. So that's why it is asking. So if I'm going to type Venky training or something like that, you can see you will get it for a very cheap price over here. You can see €1, so you can change it to another currency as well. So here you can see, so that's basically what you will get over here is like a cheap price. So just book for that domain, whichever you get, and you're gonna get this word called manage. When you click on the manage word, you're gonna end up in this particular URL, what you're seeing over here. So this is your name sheep. So there's going to be two things we're going to talk about. One is the name sheep where your domain is registered. Another one is basically your route 53. So go to your route 53 over here, go to dashboard, and then click on a new route. I mean, I have already created one. Let me delete that. Just give me a. Okay, I've deleted that. So when you go to Route 53 for the first time, you're gonna get started. So when you click on get started, you're gonna get this page. So we're not here to register a domain nor transfer it, because registration of a domain with Amazon is going to be very expensive. So don't do that. Use it on Namecheap. Just go with the hosted service zone. So this basically routes your request from Route 53 to the DNS queries for domains such as example.com. So that's what we have created right now. So let's click on get started. Let's copy paste the domain name over here. So the domain name here is beyondcloud.ai and sorry, .online. And this is hosted in Namecheap. All right, so this is a public hosted zone. So just click on create. Now this is going to create this particular um, hosted zone. Now you can see the name server over here. These are the name servers for your AWS. These are AWS name servers. So your public domain, which is your name sheep, should route your request to this location. So now the next thing is gonna, after copying this, just copy these name server names, and all we have to do is like go back to name sheep. Once you're in Namecheap, you just need to manage it. So here you are in the domain list. Now here you need to manage it. So for example, um, you need to create the name servers which it needs to route to. So if you see over here, the name servers are over here. By default, it will point to namespace based DNS, basic DNS, sorry. So change it to custom DNS. So as I'm just changing it to custom DNS, you see new items popping over here. So whatever the items you have copied, you can just, okay, not like this, but just you have to copy one by one over here, like this. So now we are making the name servers of our AWS part of this. So now once that is done, all this is done, just click on the tick mark. Now it's going to take some time for the DNS to refresh. It would be taking at least 5 to 15 minutes, sometimes up to 30 minutes also. After that, after you've completed this, all you have to do is like open command prompt on your system. I'm just opening it. you can type ns lookup, right? So it's a very default command, right? So ns lookup space beyond cloud dot online. So when you do this, you will be able to see it is going to AWS service. Okay, in some time you will be seeing that it is going to AWS service when we do the ns lookup. So this is what you will get to know that it has successfully completed. So what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to wait for this to replicate, and then I'll take the next video. Thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.